Peyton, are you done playing already?
Look at this. Look at.
He's getting hungry.
Look at that. Can you turn it with your hand? Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. Are you in here playing? Hi.
Hey, buddy. Are you done playing with your toys?
Oh, that thing's turned. I don't know that.
Peyton figured it out. What's he playing with? Hey, buddy.
Oh, good job. Are you done?
Yeah. Well, sorry, Mom and Corey, you kind of missed it.